How to change preferences on Steam. So here I have just opened up the Steam application, and what we want to do is click on our name in the top right corner, and here you will see an option for store preferences. Once selected, it will load up a new page like so, from which we will have the store preferences, the language preferences, and other notifications and cookies settings here. So what we can do is just disable the types of content that we want to view here. So for example, general mature content, if we don't want to view it, we'll simply uncheck those. And we also have an option for these other sections of Steam. And we also have the product types here, so we can change the product type preferences as well. So for example, if we want to see early access titles, we'll leave this checked. If not, we'll just uncheck this. And also we can exclude tags here, so what type of games won't appear in our stores. For example, if I begin typing out adventure here, and now we will have excluded the games tagged with adventure from our store list. And we can also ignore products here, and we can customize the chat as well as the search options. So that's really how you can customize your preferences or edit your preferences on Steam. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.